This is how you can make a really cute Easter Bunny button for spring this year. I'm using the We Are Maker button press, pigment pens, and a little bit of brown cardstock. I really love using the button press because it comes with everything that you need, including a cutting die that makes the perfect size circle for your button. You put the die on top of the paper and pull down on the handle of the button press. It makes a perfect circle every single time. It does help to work on a solid surface because you do have to press down pretty firmly on the handle. Okay, now we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, the pigment pens. I love these things. They're like pure magic. They glide along on your paper like butter, and they dry really quick, which you wouldn't think that they would with the consistency that they have. With a white pigment pen, I'm making 2 rough circles for the cheeks of the rabbit, a rounded triangle with the pink pigment pen for the nose, and 2 blue ovals for the eyes. I cut out 2 ears out of the same cardstock that I used for the base of the bunny, and filled in the center with more of the pink pigment pen. Next, I installed the top and the base inserts into the button press. I then layered the button shell, the bunny cardstock, and the mylar. Next, I rotated both the top and the base inserts to position A to align with the arrows on the housing. Then I pressed down firmly on the handle again. I swiveled the base housing out of the machine and placed the pin back pin side down. I put everything back into place and rotated the top and the base inserts to position B. I pressed down firmly on the handle one last time and I got the perfect button. This is so satisfying every single time I do it. I use little foam stickers to attach the ears to the back. This helps to give it a little bit more dimension. It's so easy. Are you going to make this? Let me know in the comments.